Hey guys, what's going on? Alan here. Thank you for watching the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. This is going to be part 2 of the suspension bushing kit. First thing we're going to do is get the tires off. We're going to focus on just the front suspension for now. I don't know how far we're going to get. Ideally, I would like to do all of this of the bushing kit in this video, but we'll see. I don't know. So first we're going to get tires off and get the suspension blown apart, and we'll just focus on the front suspension for now. So if you're looking to do just the control arm kit, this is the part number right here for two-wheel drive anyway. This is going to be just the front control arms, 4 large bushings, 4 smaller bushings, and 4 sleeves, and some instructions. Alright, fired up. Too much fire? Just pull it away a little. Yeah, that's not helping at all. There we go. We're gonna need a way to hold this up. Okay, you hit the button.
What? Afterburn.
Yeah. We got the hose hooked up to that funnel idea. I used to use a hair dryer and that was enough, but I can't use a hair dryer anymore. I got told no. But the vacuum's too much power. So we're making it work, but it's plenty. Well, you see that?
Yeah.
It's spitting out these hangs. Oh gosh. We're gonna have to back up. I'm like cooking the other one. That's awesome. Well, that was fun. Just doing a test pass with the Scotch Brite here, seeing how clean I could get it, and that is looking really nice. So that is definitely the way I'm going to be doing it from now on, instead of using a wire brush. But I've got all the control arms, bushings gone. I want to replace these lower ball joints because these guys are bad shape. The uppers are in good shape. They're nice and stiff still. I'll just re-grease them. The tie rods are in good shape. They're pretty stiff. I don't know why it wants to fall now. It was just working. But the other one is in good shape too. So do need to replace both of these arms. The idler bracket actually, and this side is what's bad. You can't tell while I'm shaking, but anyways, the bearing here is bad on this one, and there's something in the box, I think, clicking. So there's some play, and it definitely, yeah, donk, 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 donk. I don't know if that's normal or not. No, that seems like a lot of side to side. And it's original, so I think I'll be looking for an aftermarket gearing box too, just for a little bit better steering ratio. Now, as for the back, here's the bushing kit for that one. Right there. Comes with enough to do the springs and shackle bushings, if you're wondering. So you get to do these on both sides. However, mine are not original, so, but they're already polyurethane, even though they're a few years old. They're just as old as these Belltech springs, which, that's another thing. Hopefully the diameters are the same as OEM, and everything here will pop into place. I've got the axle supported right now and the frame by itself separately, so I'm going to zip these off right here and let the axle probably fall forward. I don't know, maybe I'll put a jack there or something, a jack stand. Well, that's pretty much everything for the suspension, all cleaned up. I've got them degreased and I rubbed them down with, you know, some heavy duty wire. What's that stuff? Over there on the other side of Cody. But yeah, a little rusty, but we're just going to cover everything in black paint. I'll tape off the spindles there, and I kind of want to tape off those spring clamps. And then, except for these here, I didn't realize these were supposed to be stainless, or not stainless, but you know, what is that, galvanized. So I almost kind of want to take these over to the glass cabinet and see if I can clean them up the rest of the way. They would be the only thing under the front end though that's not black, except for the red bushings, of course. But I also don't think I can paint on that. I've tried getting this stuff off, but I mean, it's not coming off on my finger, but I don't know. We're gonna try. Well, there's one side. We'll let that bake, and yeah, before I flip it over. Weather's not the greatest today, but at least it's not raining on me. I got one frame rail done. Just kind of just scrubbed all the paint off and all the loose rust and dirt and grime. I gotta do that one. And we're ready for painting. We're getting close. I've been using this thing to try to combat the rust. But this is really just to protect it. It's not for show. Just try to get the last few more years. All right, I've got the front all cleaned up. I just got to tape off the brake lines. I got the back all taped off, at least everything I want to tape off, just to prevent some of the most direct overspray, like onto the gas tank and on those wires, shocks, tailpipes. Pretty much it. We got weather off and on here. So like really dark over there, really dark over there, dark over there. There's some clouds over there, but right above us, we're looking okay for now. So we're gonna try and, the metal is warm actually, the paint can's warm, so we're gonna try to get a couple layers on it. There it is. Looks way better. Huh, Cody? It's only one coat. I actually ran out of the satin, so I'm gonna have to go back to the store and give it another coat. Go pick up another can to give it another coat. But that's pretty much done. Got the back is done, all painted up. Got my pieces back on there. So got those pieces almost done. Just had some bad weather, so I had to kind of wash everything down again before I painted the other side. So I still got the other side of all these pieces here that you see to paint, but I'm waiting for it to warm up. It's still a little wet, but I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. I appreciate you hanging in there this long. It's not what I thought the video was going to be. We didn't get any of the bushings in. It took a long time to clean and paint everything, and you know, I got the weather and stuff messing with me, and the video's starting to run kind of long. I don't want to bore you guys too much, so hit the subscribe button so you can see the next video, which I promise will be the bushings going in and suspension all going back together. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.